Another interesting fufu recipe you will love to try. For those of you that love to swallow like I do, try this. You will not eat akpu, you will not eat pounded yam again. So I'll show you how I made it. I have here potato and unripe plantain. Omo, this plantain and potato don't stay for my kitchen for a long time. I don't know what to do with them. So I decided to use them for fufu this afternoon. So I'm just going to peel off the plantain and potato, and then I'll chop them into smaller sizes, wash them neatly, and then use my blender to blend it very smooth as usual. Someone wrote in my comment section, this your blender don't see shege. The blender they do the work where it come to do for this life. Oh. So guys, I slice a plantain into smaller sizes as well. Then I'm just going to wash them neatly and then transfer it into my blender and blend it very smooth. Today's special hug goes to Annabelle, watching me all the way from USA. Thank you so much for watching my videos, Annabelle. I really appreciate you. Let me know where you're watching the video from so that on my next one, I'm going to send you a hug. So while I was blending it, I added a little water on it. Do not add too much water because you don't want it to be too liquid. So I blend it very smooth and then transfer it into the pot, and then I'll stir it. As you continue to stir it, it will start forming into fufu. No oat is needed on this recipe, guys. This fufu is one of the best I've ever tried. If you notice it has started turning into fufu, you just continue to stir it on a low heat. So you continue to stir it. If you leave it, it's going to burn on the bottom of it. So you don't want that to happen. You continue to stir it. Gradually, it will start forming into fufu like what you are seeing right now. So tell me, does this right here look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. So I continue to stir it and it continue to turn into fufu like what you are seeing. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it so that it gets to wider audience, more especially people that have been restricted from eating akpu, pounded yam because it has starch on it. This video will be helpful to them, so just help me to share it. As you can see, my fufu is ready, so I'll just add water on it, cover it to cook for about 3 minutes, and then that is it. My potato fufu is ready. What I need now is the soup I'm going to use for this. Just take a look at it. No different with pounded yam. If you try this, you will not eat akpu again. You will not eat poundo again. So now tell me, after watching this video to this point, does this look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. So because of online in-laws, I said I no go use plastic for wrap the fufu this time around. So guys, I finish it up with my okazi soup, the leftover soup I have in the freezer. So if you're going to give this a try, let me know in the comment section. Trust me, you are not going to regret it at all. It really came out nice. See how soft it is in my hand. It feels like akpu or maybe pounded yam. And on my throat, it just they go smoothly. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.